Hello, professor and classmates. My name is Trinell Borello. I go by Nellie, and my current placement for my specialist year is in hospice. I am seeing patients that are homebound, also patients that are in assisted living homes, along with nursing homes, or wherever that patient chooses to live the end of their lives. I am dealing not only with the patient, but also the family members, some who are experiencing anticipatory grief and delayed grief due to having to deal with financial matters, funeral arrangements, DNRs, and medical power of attorney, statutory power of attorney, and just all the housekeeping that goes along with hospice. I think that what I most hope to get out of this class is to be better equipped in dealing with those losses and the grief that is experienced due to different situations in life that we find ourselves in, whether it be a divorce or a child with special needs or individuals that are suffering from mental health. There are so many different things and grieving processes and losses that we go through throughout our lives. Next, going forward as a social worker, I know that it will be important for me to be better equipped because going forward, I will need to be supportive to those that are experiencing grief and losses, and knowing the best way to deal with those issues that that are coming about, which of course will have to learn on a case by case basis how to deal with those expeditiously and where I'm not re-traumatizing the patient or my client. Thank you all for listening, and I hope to see everyone in the threads.